Hello guys, today I'm here with a new tutorial, and in this video, I'm gonna show how to create macOS Big Sur Bootable USB installer. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel and stay connected for latest updates. So guys, let's start. For this purpose, you'll require macOS Big Sur installer, a command file for creating macOS Bootable USB installer, and also one USB with minimum 16 GB is required for the purpose. So the very first step is to create macOS Bootable USB. For that, plug your USB, and as you can see the USB appeared here. Open Disk Utility and erase the USB with following parameters. Click on Done. Close Disk Utility and Utilities as well, open the command file, and copy the whole command, and paste it to terminal and press Enter key, enter your password and confirm merging of the USB. And now the USB is being created. And now as you can see, the USB installer has been created successfully. Quick terminal, and you're done. And now you can use the USB to boot any of your Mac computers. Just press and hold Option key while booting, and you'll see the new macOS Big Sur installer. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And for more updates, stay connected and have a great day.